Hey y'all! Today we're in the oldest city in America, St. Augustine, Florida. This is a beautiful area full of history, shopping, and beaches, which you know I love. Today I want to show y'all where we're staying while we're here. If you're new here, welcome. We're all about the RV life, outdoor adventure, and checking out the best campgrounds across the country. If that's your vibe, be sure to hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Now let's dive into today's video. This is St. Augustine RV Resort. It's conveniently located just off I-95, so it's less than 10 minutes from downtown St. Augustine and the beaches. They have over 120 RV sites here. It's a mixture of pull-throughs and back-ends. They vary in size. They all have full hookup with 30-50 amp power, water, and sewer. Amenities here include a clubhouse, a pool, a fitness room. They have lakeside fire pits, bocce court, have a pickleball court, they have a little putting green, they have clean shower room and laundry facilities, and they have a dog park. The building to your left is the office check-in area. You can also have packages delivered there. You can see the pickleball courts. They do refill propane here. The sites behind this circle are for the host. And as we round the corner here, you'll see a trash can on the left-hand side. They basically have a trash can at the end of every row, which is convenient. They don't pick up trash here, so it's convenient to have more than one spot to bring your trash to. I am going to go down every row. I accidentally drove this one backwards, so I'm just going to go down here and go down our row first, and I'll show you our site, and then we'll continue on and do the rest of the drive-thru. I did want to mention that they do offer weekly, monthly, and seasonal rates here, so if you need somewhere to stay for an extended period of time, this might be a good option for you. We really enjoyed our stay here. There was a couple of times on the weekends where they brought in a food truck. One night they brought in two food trucks. One was like an ice cream truck, and then they had live music out by the pool. So they do fun activities here too. We're over here on site number 47. It is a back-end site. Like all the rest of them, it is full hookup. The front part is gravel, and then back here you have a nice pavered patio. All of the sites have a picnic table on them. And yeah, that's it. So you can see we're backed up right up to the fence. We left just enough room so we could kind of walk behind it. And that's what it looks like. There we are. Okay, now we'll continue on. I'm going to add in the resort's map and try to mark some of the spots to let y'all know where we're at. But as always, I do recommend that you visit the host website and download a map of your own, and that will help you better keep up with the site numbers and where we're at. This is where they have the little putting green and the bocce ball. You can see the dog park down there. This is a really nice area that overlooks the lake, and the sunsets here are beautiful. I also love the landscaping they've done in this resort. All of these palm trees just really gives you that Florida vibe. Now when we come into this section, you'll notice these don't have the brick pavers or even the concrete pavers. They're just on gravel. But as you'll see up here on the right, they have started adding concrete pad. They've made a lot of improvements to this resort since we first saw it last year. Even on Google Maps, if you look, the entrance to the resort is in a different location. That's because they've been renovating and adding new sites and all kind of new improvements. When we make this turn right here, you'll see up ahead of us there are some cones in the roadway. That's where the old entrance was, so now it's on the other side. As we turn in here, this little building here is where the laundry room is and the showers. Thanks for watching today, y'all. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.